4-7, who was in the 100 final, back in the 200 final as well. 22-22 for the Taja Morgan. And on the inside, in lane number 1, Nasir McMorris of Captain College has been to Champs 200 finals, has been in the long jump final at Champs as well. He's on the inside in lane number 1.
A very poor start for him in the 100 meters here. I thought he would have made it to the final of the 100 here at the National Under-20 Championships.
There's your favorite.
Looking to go faster than 20.63.
What a season he has had. Decided not to contest the 100 meters here and focus solely on the 200. They are on their marks.
Set.
Off they go. Under 20 boys 200 final. Bodden got a quick start in lane number 7. Already up on Martin on his outside in 8. Sanjay Seymore left back in 3rd position with a little bit of work to do. Nyron Wade in front. Oh, Seymore is struggling. Bodden, Martin on the outside. Nathaniel Martin gets the double. And Bodden, I think, got 2nd. He wasn't even at Champs.
No, I think they're going to look at that again.
Wow.
All right, the KC boys out really fast. And at this point, it looks like Bodden leading. As they come around the curve, Nyron Wade then goes to lead. Sanjay Seymore in the green, way back. But look at the fast finishing Nathaniel Martin out in lane number 8. He's the winner, and the winner for sure. And I suspect he's going to be given that 20.82. They're going to have to correct the results that are being shown right now.
I think Bodden got 2nd. It was really close between Sanjay Seymore and Kyle Bodden for 2nd spot. I think Wade faded into 4th.
Yes.
Let's see what comes up here as the final times for the under 20 boys 200 meters.
They're still correcting it, so we're going to take a moment before we see the results. And let me tell you, once it's corrected.
10:37 personal best in the 100 meters for Nathaniel Martin. He gets a personal best at 200 meters as well.
Okay, it's been corrected now, so we should get it. So the winner, fast finishing Nathaniel Martin.
Nathaniel Martin, 20.82 personal best, first time under 21 seconds, positive 0.9. Kyle Bodden gets a PB as well, 21 flat. Sanjay Seymore, shockingly outside the top 2 in 3rd at 21.01. Let's head to Denise Walters.